Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ALCATEL 3T10 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on About Tablet, and now let's find the build number, and as you can see here we've got it. Here we've got the build number, and I know it may be quite confusing because I promised that I will show you the developer options, but trust me, this step is crucial in order to actually activate them. So all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on the build number until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step, so no worries, just enter it. Now we can go back to the system settings, and as you can see right here we've got the developer options which appeared right now. So let's tap on it, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show hardware layer updates. Here we can change the secondary display, we can simulate them, we can show surface updates, show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth and overall to the networking, because as you can see we've got also the Wi-Fi here, or tethering, and so on and so on. So quite a lot of options. And basically all you have to do in order to turn on some features is to simply tap on the switcher, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way if you've got the options without the switcher. So for example, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open more settings. So basically, if you're done with customization of developer options and if you'd like to turn them off, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher at the top. And as you can see, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system settings, the developer options should disappear. If they did not, just restart your device. And of course, no worries, you can customize the developer options again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually, that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your ALCATEL 3T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.